Hey guys, welcome back to Lee Slot Cars for a very quick video, and this is to say a very special thank you to somebody. Now, I don't know if you remember, I put out a plea a while ago for the front grille for a Ford Falcon, and it's actually, I'll show you in a minute, it's the Ford XB Falcon GT. It's in Brute 33 livery, and it's the Scalextric Australian exclusive. Absolutely beautiful car, and it was sent to me quite a while back from my good friend Steve Connor in Australia. Now, somehow I managed to lose the front grille on this car, and it must have been when I took it apart to do something, because you know it's screwed in place. So, but anyway, it went missing. I put out a plea to the community. No one had a spare one. No one could get hold of one. Scalextric didn't stock them as a spare part. Daz Hall had a look at Gaydon for me. You know, everyone was sort of trying to find out how to get hold of this grille. I got in touch with Slot R, Dave, and because he's, you know, very clever at this sort of thing, and said, Dave, is this something you could maybe make or put together? And he said, well, probably not, but I need you to maybe try Tony Tibbs. Okay, I didn't really know Tony Tibbs, but I tracked him down and I found him, and I messaged him, and Tony said, send me the car, I'll see what I can do. So before Christmas time, I sent him the car, and this is what he did. So before I get this out, I'm just going to quickly pop up on the screen how it was before I sent the car away to Tony. Okay, you ready for the big reveal? So this is the car, and I absolutely love this car. It's beautiful, and like I say, it's really special to me for reasons I won't go into, but like I say, Steve Connor sent me this and I love it, absolutely love it. So here we go. Look at that. Isn't that just fantastic? He has done an amazing job of that. You wouldn't even know that that was scratch built and put in place. The detail and the time it must have taken to do this just goes above and beyond, and he did that for me. And you know, I don't know Tony, I do now, and I will always be eternally grateful for such a lovely, generous gesture. You know, he's done that for me, and it's really made my new year. There we go, Tony Tibbs, Slot Escape. So what more can I say? Great guy, Tony. Thank you so much, buddy. I appreciate this more than you will ever know. I'm now going to do some laps with this amazing, beautiful car. I said it was quick. It is quick. I hope you enjoyed this, because believe me, this sums up this slot car community. Thanks for watching, guys. You all take care, my friends. Bye bye.